Hi guys! Yesterday I was watching a video made by Jay Shetty, and he was talk about life. So I will try to present you as a YouTube work. This video actually inspired by Jay Shetty. So see you soon. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about to help you how to grow your audience and channel. If you're first time here, please hit this subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. I know people who start YouTube at 2008, 9, 10, but didn't succeed until 2016, 17, or even this year, just like me. I know people who start YouTube at 2017 or 18 and they succeed immediately. I know people who never start YouTube but they decide to start right now. Great decision. I know people who is so long on YouTube and they already make money. That's what I do. I know people who is so sure what they're gonna do on YouTube. But I also know people who still searching a solution for his content. I know people who like to do video with his family. Also, I know people who never show up on camera and they got his own reason. I know people who always do one content and eventually they change their mind and they do a different video. So my point is, everything in life happen according with our time, our clock. Sometimes you might look at on some of your friends ahead of you, but some of them is behind you. They got own time and clock. And so do you. Be a patient. Don't let anyone to rush you with their own timelines. Because you got your own timeline. So now, you decide your own. Are you just gonna give up? Or you will continue with your video? Because this is actually passion, satisfaction, pleasure, and in the future, some kind of benefit. Thank you guys for watching. And one more time, if you are first time here, please hit this subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything.